Hi teacher, today I'm going to explain many differences about education in the United States and in Colombia. First, we have that in the United States is in the 18th position of the best education system in the world, and in Colombia it's ranked in 52 in educational quality. Second, we have that 90% are national literacy in the United States, and in Colombia in rural areas at 6-7% are literate. This is because many people and kids in Colombia can go to school and they doesn't learn about how to write and many times how to speak. Here we have 14 years of basic education in the United States, and in Colombia 13 years of basic education. This is because in the United States they have 12 degree, and in Colombia we only have 11 degree. Next, we have 80% of students graduate from college in the United States, and in Colombia in 2010 only 37 of the students continue their studies after school. This happened because the economy in Colombia for many families is too bad, so they can't pay the university. Um, Next, we have the university in United States is 4 years, and in Colombia, the university is 5 years. And if you want in both countries, uh, you can do a postgrad and or try other career. And next, we have school start in August and ends in May. In United States and in Colombia, school start in February and ends in November. This is what we call um, calendar A and calendar B. In the United States, they have calendar B, and in Colombia we have calendar A. And a type of bonus we have in Colombia, approximately 500 Colombian children don't attend school because, how I said before, many families doesn't have money to pay a school, so they can't go to school.